Today, we're going to take a closer look at biodiversity and the ways in which it shapes our world. Biodiversity is the term used to describe the variety of life on Earth, and it's something that often goes overlooked in our daily lives. But the truth is, without biodiversity, our planet would not be able to function properly. Join us as we journey through the science behind this vital topic and discover the ways in which we can all help to protect and preserve the biodiversity that surrounds us. What is biodiversity? Biodiversity is the term used to describe the variety of life on Earth. It includes everything from the tiniest microorganisms to the largest mammals, and encompasses the diversity of genes, species, and ecosystems. Biodiversity can be found at all levels, from the genetic diversity within a single species, to the diversity of ecosystems that make up our planet. It's the rich tapestry of life that makes our planet unique, and it's something that we should all appreciate and strive to protect. Why is biodiversity important? Biodiversity is important for a number of reasons, including the provision of food, medicine, and other resources, the regulation of climate and weather patterns, and the maintenance of soil and water quality. For example, many of the medicines we use today are derived from plants, and many more are yet to be discovered. Similarly, the pollination of plants by bees and other insects ensures that we have a steady supply of food. Biodiversity also plays a critical role in the functioning of ecosystems, and is essential for the survival of many species. Threats to biodiversity. Unfortunately, biodiversity is under threat from a number of human activities, including habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change. Habitat destruction caused by human activities such as urbanization, agriculture, and logging is one of the biggest threats to biodiversity. Pollution of air, water, and soil also poses a significant threat, not just to biodiversity, but also to human health. Climate change caused by human activities such as the burning of fossil fuels is also having a significant impact on biodiversity, changing the timing of seasons and the distribution of species. These threats can have a devastating impact on ecosystems and the species that depend on them. It's important that we all take action to protect and preserve biodiversity, both locally and globally. What can we do to help? There are many things we can all do to help protect and preserve biodiversity. Some examples include supporting conservation efforts, reducing our use of resources, and reducing our impact on the environment. We can also take steps to protect and restore the habitats of endangered species, and help to raise awareness about the importance of biodiversity. Simple things like reducing our carbon footprint, supporting sustainable agriculture, and reducing the use of plastics can make a big difference. We can also make conscious choices about the products we buy and the companies we support, by choosing products that are sustainably sourced and produced. Together, we can make a difference in the fight to protect and preserve the incredible diversity of life on our planet. Biodiversity hotspots. Biodiversity hotspots are regions around the world that have a high concentration of unique and threatened species. These hotspots are also home to a large number of endemic species, which are species that are only found in that specific region. The hotspots are often under threat from human activities such as logging, agriculture, and urbanization. There are currently 34 biodiversity hotspots around the world, covering just 2.3% of the Earth's land surface, but containing over 50% of the world's plant species and 42% of all terrestrial vertebrates. These hotspots are of vital importance to the survival of many species, and we must take action to protect them. The impact of climate change on biodiversity. Climate change is one of the biggest threats facing biodiversity today. As temperatures rise and weather patterns change, many species are struggling to adapt. Rising sea levels are also affecting coastal habitats, and changing rainfall patterns are altering the distribution of plants and animals. Warmer temperatures are also leading to changes in the timing of seasons, with plants flowering earlier and animals breeding out of sync. This can disrupt the delicate balance of ecosystems and lead to declines in population of some species. Thank you for joining us on our journey through the world of biodiversity. We hope you've gained a deeper understanding of the importance of this vital topic, and that you'll join us in taking action to protect and preserve the biodiversity that surrounds us. Remember, every little thing you do counts, and together we can make a big difference. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our video.